Hi everybody, welcome to Lucas World. Do you still remember last class? You remember? Oh, that's great. What did we say at the end? Nice! You really remember. We said that we're going to read books after classes because we just make the dinosaur class, right? Okay, so let me show her my dinosaur PowerPoint. It's called Lucas World Dinosaur Class. Here's the message. Let's take a look here. Okay. Remember, we'll read Magic Child 1 Dinosaur for that next time. Okay. I promise you to read that. Oh, brother. But I'm not yet finished making the PowerPoint. So I decided, what can I do? So I decided to make a PowerPoint class. How to use PowerPoint class. Let's cross this first. Okay, so if you have PowerPoint, press this Microsoft PowerPoint. But if you don't have, I don't know how to tell because I can't show you. I'm using iMac. That's me. Apple. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, if you want to make your own PowerPoint, you can. Today I'm going to teach you 3 types: add pictures, add words, and animations. Okay, what does animations mean? Let's take a look. Press 2 times. I did 2000 and 2016. This may be 2016. Okay, make it full page. Oh, and you see some design ideas, some great and goodies. But if you don't want to see them, you can cross them. Okay. They were adding pictures and words, right? Okay, so we're at this home icon. Okay, so if we press this insert icon, you can see, wow, lots of icons. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to insert pictures and words. When you finish using this, click to add title and click to add suitable. Okay, let's first click on the insert picture and have 3 icons for you to choose. First is photo browser. Okay, remember, so if you're using iMac to watch this video, you should have this photo browser. But if you're not using iMac, using other computers or using iPad, no, iPad have this. Okay, so you could press photo browser. Okay, and this is from photos. That's mean from here. Okay, lots of photos. Goody. Photos, but you can't post videos. Okay, these are all the photos. Oh, my tooth loose. Okay. These are all the photos, but no videos. Okay. Okay. That's all pictures. Okay. I'll choose one to insert here. What should I choose? Maybe I should choose this, my birthday party. And maybe you can pull it to here. Yeah, there it is. My birthday party when I'm 7 years old. Okay, and more design ideas. Let's cross it. Okay. So, if you wanna write about birthdays. Oh no, I forgot. We're still looking at inserts. Okay, let's take a look. Pictures from file. These are all the downloads. Let's take a look. Oh, this is mine. Ours iMac code and family. Okay, nothing else. Let's use downloads. What about this? Movies, music, pictures, public, Dropbox. But we're looking at downloads, so lots of icons to click on. Okay. So I guess no need. What about this online pictures? Online pictures, like I like Spider-Man, or I type Spider-Man. I click enter. Okay. Whoa! Spider Thor. Haha. It's cool. Lots of Spider-Man. I'll click Spider-Man. I like Tom Holland. Tom Holland. Click enter. Right, this is Tom Holland. Okay. On Spider-Man. Whoa, muscles. Holland. Spider-Man. And he's Spider-Man. Homecoming. Oh, this is the Homecoming suit. Let's take a look. Far from home. He's also far from home. Okay, click enter. Oh, look. It is him and Mysterio. And he's Iron Spider. Okay. Edith. Okay. Lots of pictures. Okay. Glasses. And if you use this to finish, you click the title or click the suitable. So I'm gonna delete them. Delete. Bye bye. And bye bye. Example like this. No more anything. Okay. Just like this. It's just white. Then that's text box. Okay. Draw a text box. And when you pull it on the PowerPoint, that means on this white page, you can see that your mouse would have an A. Okay, where do you want to put your message? And I'll put it here. I'll press. Okay. You see, there have lots. They have text box. And when you type anything here, it will go longer and longer. And when you erase them, backspace them, they'll be back short again. Like this. I'll write happy. Why I write small letter? Because when I press space, it'll turn into capital letter. Like space, capital letter. Okay. Happy birthday. Okay. Lucas. Okay. So I'm 7. But here is 7K. 7K. So if you want your PowerPoint, that means these icons, pictures and words, make it more better, and like when your teachers use this PowerPoint, some job and just appear with 1, 2, 3, 4 in just one page. You think it is possible. It is not possible. You click animations. Okay. Let's click this. Oh, when you didn't click anything with some dots, you can't press them in. So let's click this. Happy birthday, Lucas 7. Okay. And I'm pressing anything icons here. So I'll just press anything. Okay, so when you press it, you can see that here have a 1. Let's click the animation pane. Click on it. Okay, see, here I have Happy Birthday Lucas 7. It's 1 and 1. Okay, what about this? You want also? Okay, check for 2 Happy Birthday. So if you want to take a look how is it, press the slideshow, excuse me. And when you click one time, click Happy Birthday Lucas, and this is me. Okay, like that. So when you make it one page and you keep clicking, it's end of slideshow, click to exit. So we'll click again, click, I'll be out. Okay. So let's review what we learned. We learned how to insert pictures with 3 icons that we saw, and we learned how to add text. Okay, text. Okay, and we learned how to slideshow, like zoom in, like play from, and you click one, you play this, like this, like this, like this. Okay. And that's for today. And I hope you liked this video. Oh, remember, have any questions, you must ask in the comment below, okay? Because I can't hear your question now. Okay. So that's it today. Have a lovely day. Oh, and if you want to save your PowerPoint, you click here. And if you're using iMac, here have a dot. You click one. Do you want to save this something else? And you can change your name, like I'll write birthday PowerPoint. Birthday PowerPoint. Okay. Oh, just make. And if you want to save, click save. If you don't want to save, don't save. Okay. I'm not gonna save it. So because this is just an example to show you, and I hope you like this video, give a like and subscribe so you know when I give any new videos. So have a lovely day. Bye bye.